Hi, it's Fanny of Living Richie on a Budget. Today I'm going to make Dalgona Matcha Green Tea Latte. This thick, creamy, earthy, and slightly sweet hearty drink tastes like a matcha soft serve ice cream, and it tastes like it came from a cafe, but it can be made at home in just 5 minutes with just 4 ingredients. So treat yourself today. If you love matcha green tea, you'll love Dalgona Matcha. So let's get started. First, we're going to add in a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream and make sure it's cold from the fridge so it'll help it whip up creamy. Next, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of matcha green tea powder. I use culinary grade matcha green tea powder that I get from Costco, but you can find it on Amazon too. Next, we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can add more or less depending on what you like. Then we're going to use a hand or stand mixer and we're going to mix this up. I would do pre-mixing next time. As you can see, there's some dust that comes up. The matcha just starts flying when you start mixing. So start doing some hand mixing first with the whisk and then use your mixer. Be sure to scrape down the sides as you go along too. When it starts coming together, then turn up the speed. Keep going because in a minute or two, it's going to start thickening up and look like whipped cream. And the color is going to turn a light green, and that's when you know it's ready. Now it's time to pour the milk. You can use either hot or cold milk, and you can add ice if you want, and you can also use a milk alternative. Now we're going to spoon in the Dalgona green tea mixture. You can use either a spoon or an ice cream scoop. You can use your spoon to shape it and to twirl it to give it a design for pictures. You can also use a piping bag and piping tip to make it look like a soft serve. And when you're ready to enjoy this Dalgona matcha green tea latte, mix it with a spoon to fully incorporate with the milk and enjoy. I hope you take some time each day to make yourself a drink like this so you can get some me time because it's important to take care of yourself and to do some self-care. And I consider making Dalgona drinks self-care. If you like this video, please click thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Also check out my other Dalgona recipes like the Dalgona coffee and Dalgona chai latte. See you next time. Bye. Hi, it's Fanny of Living Richie on a Budget. Today I'm going to make matcha. Hi, it's Fanny of Living Richie on a Budget. Today I'm going to make Hi, it's Fanny of Living Richie on a Budget. Today I'm going to make Dalgona Matcha Green Tea Latte.